left side looks more complicated. So actually here, like left hand side, it looks more complicated. So you can start with that and you can reduce it in that one. So we'll try with that one. Now, so I'm first writing the left hand side. We have cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by, well, at least like 2 methods you have to solve this question. So here you will see the right side, you need cosec and cot, right? So what we will try to do, already it is in cos and sine, right? So what we will do, we'll convert this in cos and cot, cosec and cot. Can we do so? You know that cos by sine is cot, right? Cos by sine is cot, and 1 by sine is cosec. This you know. So we will try to convert the left hand side in cot and cosec, because on the right side we need cosec and cot only, right? So we'll do that. So I am dividing the numerator with sine. So if each term will be divided with sine, so you will get cos A by sine A minus sine A by sine A plus 1 by sine A. Okay, the same thing I will do in the denominator also. So the overall fraction will remain the same. So you can write it as cos by sine minus sine by sine, and then plus 1 by sine. This will come in the numerator, and in the denominator you will get this plus, yes, very good. Good. Now cos by sine you can write as cot, I already told you, minus 1 plus cosec A. Then in the denominator you can write, yes, okay, cosec A plus cot A only we need in the numerator only. We don't need anything in the denominator. In denominator is just 1. Okay, so now you will see in the numerator also you have 3 terms, in the denominator also you have 3 terms, right? So how you can reduce? If the number of terms in the numerator will be more, then you can divide, so it will become a whole number or something, right? Is it or not? So here we have this one, so we'll try to make this, write this one in something else. Okay, so so we have identity also in terms of cot and cosec. That is which identity? Cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1. So we will use this identity. So in the place of 1, what I am doing, I am writing this cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, and the other terms I will keep as it is. So after this, also take care of this minus sign. You have a minus sign also here. So I am just keeping it in the bracket. So this one will come like this. And the other thing, cot A up to this, and the remaining terms I have written just as it is. Okay, always give the bracket whenever you are putting the values, because the minus sign, the sign will change, so you can do mistakes here while writing these terms, no? So now this will become cot A minus cosec square A. Or do one thing, these two terms are in square, so I'm keeping it to the right side, and these two terms, this and this, I'm keeping together. So cot A plus cosec A, we can write it like this, na? Right? And here minus sign, this minus sign I'm keeping like this only. I'll just write it with this color only so you understand. Now you'll see A square minus B square we can use here. So this can be written as cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A. Up to this is clear? And in denominator I'm not doing anything. So some of you will say why we are not converting this one also. So see, when our numerator will be big, so see, if you have 13 by 4, so you can reduce it. If in the denominator also you have the same thing, so same number, so you can't reduce it, right? If you'll increase the denominator also and numerator also, so you can't divide it, you can't get something out of it. So only numerator only we are breaking, the denominator we are keeping as it is. Okay, so now can you take common from the numerator something? Yes, so you will see in the first bracket you have this, and here also you have the same thing. So I'll take this out, this term, and this is same in both these. So we can take this out, and we'll get something. So we'll get cot A plus cosec A. This can be taken out. So here what will remain? With this you have only 1. So I'll take a bracket, here you'll get 1. Then this we have taken out, minus, yeah. And now this minus sign will also change the sign. So I'm opening the bracket. So it will become minus cosec A. Minus minus will give you plus cot A. And in the denominator you will get the same thing. Yes, so then you can cancel out this one, so you'll get cot A. This one also you can arrange. So I'm just writing it the same as the numerator. So 1 minus cosec I have written first, and then I'm writing plus cot A. I have not changed the sign, I have just changed the order of the these terms. So now you can cancel out this. So you will get cot A plus cosec A, that is same as the RHS. So this question, if you try with the RHS, it will be more complicated. So it's better you try to prove it from the left hand only, you know, or left hand side. 1 plus sin A you have here also in the left side, but it is in the square root, right? Okay, and the right side we don't have a square root. So here what we will do? Yes, we can rationalize. Yes, we will do that only. Now from this whole number, getting a square root is difficult, so you can try it with the left hand side only. So the left hand side we have 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So what we will do here, as one Ishita told na. So see, if you will get 1 plus sin A square, then you will get at least this one, right? So I am multiplying the numerator and the denominator with 1 plus sin A, and just keep it inside the square root only. Okay. Now you can multiply. So here no need to expand it, so you can just write it like this: 1 plus sin A whole square. Then in the denominator you will get 1 minus sin square A, that is A square. Yes. So now it's easy. Now you will get the required result. So this can be written as 1 plus sin A whole square divided by cos square A, and the square you can cancel out with the square root, so it will be 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. So if you are solving the right hand side, then you can leave up to this, but if you are just solving the left hand side to get the right hand side, you can further solve it. So you can write it as 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A, and then you will get the required result, that is sec A plus tan A. Okay, so that is equals to the right hand side. Yes, Amitanshu?